Sam's.
Do you have Sam the kitty here? She letting you pet her?
Can I want photo?
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Is she soft?
I said, both.
And Serena's down here by our feet.
Sam's.
Yeah, everybody's having a quiet time. Uncle's taking a nap. And Vishva was resting, and Sam said, "Well, hello there. Can I come have a quiet time with you?" Yeah? Remember to use your quiet voice. Is she sniffing your finger? Is she soft?
She's
Yeah.
soft. And both.
Yep, and Serena's down here on the floor, keeping us company. Where's Serena? There's Serena.
This
She's
is
quiet, huh?
This is
Yeah. Okay. Remember, you're supposed to have a quiet time. Yeah, Fish was supposed to rest too. Yeah, it's time to have a nice, peaceful time. Everybody takes a rest. We just slow it down. Yeah. We played a nice music video for Vishva, and then we laughed. And now, and now it's time to be quiet and rest ourselves, okay? Look at, when you're quiet, Sam will come around. She likes it when little boys are quiet. When little boys are jumping and being too loud, she's afraid. She likes it when you're quiet, see? She came to see you as soon as you got quiet. Yeah, it's okay to be a big boy and run around.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's okay to be quiet. Okay. Glad you're getting some love. Giving love and getting love. What are you, just full of love? Oh, sweet. Okay, let's have you rest, Vishva. You too. It's time to rest. Time to rest.